Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel 2019 paper 3, higher tier paper for Maths GCSE, and this is question 4. I'll be continuing to go through all the questions in this paper, so if this is helpful to you, please subscribe to our channel, clicking the button below. So question 4 is a question about time series graphs, and what we've got here is visitors to a fun park, and it's in their thousands visitors to a fun park. So the reason it's a time series graph is because the horizontal axis here is measured in time. So I've got a time series graph here. So it's a time series graph because the horizontal axis here is measured in time. However, one of the things that's immediately obvious is we don't really know what these numbers mean. So it's unclear how the horizontal axis is labelled. So that's our first point. So point 1 is it's unclear how the horizontal axis is labelled. So what we can say is it's unclear what the numbers on the horizontal axis mean. So the second thing I would say is when we've got a time series graph, then we should actually join the points up with straight lines. So we don't know what's happening between these points here, but they've been drawn as a smooth curve. But actually, if for a time series, we should always join them up like this. They should be joined up as a series of straight lines. So this is our second mistake or misleading thing. This, in this case, is an actual mistake. So what I can say is the points should be joined as a series of straight lines. And then the third thing, which is not that easy necessarily to spot straight away, but if we look at this vertical axis, then initially it's going up in 0.5, so it goes 6, 6.5, 7, 7.5, and then all of a sudden the scale changes. So we've gone from 9 straight up to 10, when actually this point here should be 9.5. So we should have kept the same scale going up. So that's our third point, and that is that we should keep the same scale on the vertical axis. One final point I could make, and this is just really a side point, a time series graph is actually, as I said, one where the horizontal axis is in terms of time. And actually, if we were wondering where these numbers came from, so I'm not suggesting that this is something that you need to put in the answer. We've certainly got enough points here. This is just a point of more information, really. So we would be usual to split the year into quarters quite commonly. So I think this is what the attempt has been here, where we would have quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 for each year. So we split it up. And this will be very common in a question like this, where we might have seasonal variations. So we might expect more visitors to the park in the summer, which this might be quarter 3, as it's got it here. So that is probably what the numbers refer to on the horizontal axis there, probably refer to the quarters in the year. But as I said, it's unclear what the numbers on the horizontal axis do actually mean, because that should be specified. So that's why that is one of our points, that it's a misleading thing, or in fact wrong, with this graph. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, as I said before, please subscribe to our channel, and also if you like our video, that would be fantastic. And for more help, please visit our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.